Alright, welcome back to the channel. And here we have Ratko, 1/18th scale figure from Toys Alliance. And man, it is awesome. But let's start right away with articulation. We have the head, it can go forward that much, and the head can go backwards that much. To the sides about that much. So his shoulders can hinge forward that much and back about that much, which is fantastic because he can actually touch hands. Look at that. Very cool. Yeah. The arms have a bicep swivel. And the arms bend above 90 degrees. Wrist swivels, of course, and the trigger hand has a up-down motion. It doesn't go up very much, almost neutral, but can go down that much. And as for his holding hand, it goes inwards and outwards, but stops pretty much a little bit further than neutral, but it can bend in fairly well. And the robot arm also has an slightly above 90 degree bend, and the bicep swivel. And the arms are fantastic. I mean, they go back fairly well. Yeah, can do that all day. It's amazing. So when it comes to the T-pose, like the Norino Sentinel, you have to pop the shoulders up, and the shoulder armor will fold over the chest armor. Yeah, a bit. So you almost get a T-pose, and I think maybe if I worked a bit at it, might be able to get a cleaner T-pose. But the robot side doesn't seem to want to go. And for the torso, the hinge forth and back about that much, can bend rather well forward and backward. Another thing I love with this figure are the pouches. See the hinge there? It's a really good design choice by Toys Alliance because it won't hinder leg movement. For the legs, yeah, they go up that much. We have fantastic double jointed knees. Yeah, so you can make a very good sitting seiza. Going on down to the ankles. Yeah, so it has a 360 swivel. This is fantastic. His feet go forward about that much, back about that much. It's pretty good range of motion. They go slightly to the side. Damn, I think it's broke his ankle. Man, that's good. Look at that. That is some fantastic side to side. Wow. Let's have a look at the accessories. So let's start with the head. So he has a scarf and his hairpiece as well. So it comes with a peg situation, and that is for his hat. I mean, look at that. Won't come off. And when it's not using his hat, he has his own hairpiece. Looks very nice. And I guess you can even do it backwards. Oh yes, you can. Still works. He also comes with a gas mask. Just put it on like that. Alright, let's have a look at a revolver. Very nice details. And here we have the shotgun. Looks fantastic as well. And here's his knife. The knife fits right into the sheath. It's semi-open like that, so it's very easy to put in and take out. His revolver is right here. Some final thoughts on the Ratko before we end for today. All in all, I love it. I think the paint application, the articulation, everything is awesome. But I forgot one thing. This. The shotgun comes with a peg thingy. So you can slot it right here. So you can have the shotgun slung across his back. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. If something's on your mind, do let me know.